Hi everybody, welcome back to another edition of Ask Me Anything. Today we're going to be talking about our stripes on our uniforms, not the belt stripes, but the uniform stripes that you see our black belts wearing. Now this could be instructors or it could be higher ranking black belts, so I want to just take a minute to explain what all those stripes mean. First we're going to talk about our instructor stripes. So if somebody wants to become an instructor, they have to first be at the level of decided first degree black belt or higher, and then they have to pass a physical test. The physical test incorporates knowing all the forms up to and including their own, as well as the one-steps and sparring combinations. However, they only have to demonstrate every other form, okay? Once they pass that test, they get to wear the 1-inch red collar on their uniform. Then they have to be at that level for at least 6 months and teach 50 classes. Once they have done that, they can test for level 2. The level 2 test is a written test. And this is a tough test because this test encompasses forms meanings, it encompasses how to manage the workout floor, the classroom floor, it encompasses tournament judging as well as testing judging. So it's a pretty inclusive test. And then if they pass that written test, then they get to wear the level 2 stripe. The level 2 stripe is a 1.5-inch wide red collar. So levels 1 and 2 are both red collars. The level 1 is narrow, level 2 is a little wider. Then, in order to be at level, they have to stay at level 2 for a minimum of 6 months, and then they can test for level 3. Now, in addition to being able to know all the physical material at level 3, they also have to attend either a tournament or a regional camp or black belt conference, or I should say because they have to demonstrate that they can judge. And so the level 2 judges are used at the regional and national tournaments. So once they've done all of that, then they can test for their level 3. Our level 3 test is pretty tough. That means that they have to demonstrate every form up to and including their own, as well as all the one-steps and the sparring combinations. So that's a pretty tiring test. If you've ever watched a level 3 test, a lot of times it will take the entire time as maybe a mid-rank testing of all the students. Then once they get to level 3, in addition to having to teach classes, they have to attend regional and national tournaments. They have to be CPR certified. Throughout this entire process, we also do continuing education, and then they can go to one of our national black belt conferences called the Master Experience, and they can test for the level 4. And that is the wide black collar that you see. So it goes thin red, thin black, wide black. Now there is one more level of instructor, and that is master level. So when a student gets to the rank of 6th degree black belt, they get arm stripes down the side. So only 6 degrees and above have that. And you're considered a master level instructor at that time. Now, in order to become a master, you must be an instructor, okay? Because part of being a good master of Taekwondo is giving back to others. There's also one other stripe I want to mention, and that's the leg stripes. So you may see some of our students having a black stripe down the side of their pants leg. At 4th degree and above, they wear that stripe. So this is just a way for us to look at a student and be able to see what rank they are quickly without having to count all the little bars. So just to recap, the 4 levels of instructor are level 1 is narrow red collar, level 2 is wide red collar, level 3 is narrow black collar, level 4 is wide black collar, and then master level instructor also has the arm stripes. At 4th degree black belt, whether they're an instructor or not, you get the leg stripes at that level. All right, I hope that helps to clear up any confusion. As always, please keep those questions coming. I love getting those questions, and we'll look forward to doing more videos just like this. All right, have a great day, and we'll look forward to seeing you in class.